Alright ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first ever unboxing video of my YouTube channel, and today we are here to unbox the DDJ SB3 from Pioneer DJ. Let's find out what's in the box. What's good you guys? My name is Deep and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. That's right guys, today is going to be my first ever unboxing video and we're gonna unbox the DDJ SB3 by Pioneer DJ, and this comes with the Serato DJ Lite software along with it, and it is also considered to be the best budget controller for Serato DJ. Let's see if that is true and what's in the box, and I'm going to give you my overview and first look of the DDJ SB3. Alright, this is the box and this is how it looks on the top. You have a DDJ SB3 branding here at the bottom, Pioneer DJ written on the top. Pioneer DJ, DDJ SB3, nothing much on the box. And as you can see, I got it from Soundglitz, a store in Bangalore. And there you see, this is how the controller looks, and this is all the information about what is the SFX section, 4-deck control. These are the features that are mentioned on top of the box, but that's about it. Nothing much that is written on the box, but I have my unboxing knife here. Let's cut this tape off and see what's inside the box. Let's go. First thing that you will see is the manual, Pioneer DJ warranty card and all that information, things that you will not need. And the next thing inside is the controller itself and of course the cable. And there you have it. This is the DDJ SB3, a beautiful controller compatible with Serato DJ, which comes with an inbuilt Serato DJ sound card. On the top you can see that it has a Pioneer DJ logo and a Serato logo. And on the left you have the Pioneer DJ branding here. And then on the right you have the Pioneer DJ branding. At the bottom you have the Serato and Pioneer DJ branding and the headphone jack. On the top you have two decks, deck 1, deck 2, and you can actually use deck 3 and deck 4 as well. And honestly that is the only feature which I don't really like, because this has a 2-channel mixer. The faders feel good, the crossfader is alright, it's smooth, it is workable definitely. The jog dials actually look quite nice. They are aluminum actually, and if you can see the layout has the FX control on the top left corner. 1, 2, 3 FX can be placed at the same time, and the level knob for it. You have this key lock feature, and then you can press shift and change the tempo range in the software. The tempo adjust faders are a little small, but they're quite smooth and very nice. The mixer is a complete plastic body with, you know, all the buttons here are plastic. The body is definitely plastic. You have these rubber pads at the bottom, the play pause here and the Q button here, sync button here, the shift button here. You can press the shift button to access the other features like beat, jump, roll, slicer and trance. If you leave it, then you can have hot cue, FX fade, pad scratch and sampler. You have this vinyl mode button here and the auto loop button here. I think this controller is amazing for beginners guys. Also this is the filter knob, and if you can see, this I think looks exactly, and the size of it is exactly like the DDJ 400. Let me compare it and show it to you guys. There you have it. This is my DDJ 400. I'm gonna place it right next to each other, and you can see that actually the size of it is the same. The mixer section here is a little less busy and it's a little bigger than that, and even the rubber pads are slightly bigger on the Serato. Even the jog dial is slightly bigger. This is a smaller jog dial comparatively. Of course you have the loop buttons here, but you don't have it here. But that's how the Pioneer DDJ 400 looks, and this is the DDJ SB3. Basically the same controller but works with two different softwares. This is Rekordbox compatible. This comes with Serato DJ Lite out of the box, which is a great software for beginners, but if you're a pro DJ, you will need to upgrade to Serato DJ Pro. So there you have it, guys. This was the first look and unboxing of the DDJ SB3 from Pioneer DJ. This is an amazing controller for you beginner DJs who are interested to get into DJing, and if you are comfortable with Serato software. The price on this DJ controller is 24,000 rupees here in India, but I got it with a discount here in Bangalore from Soundglitz. You guys can go ahead and purchase it from there as well. If you are not living in Bangalore, please check out the link down in the description box. There is all the information that you may need to purchase this from Soundglitz, and it will be shipped to your city wherever you are in India. Now before I end this video, guys, I wanted to give you guys a small suggestion about this controller. If you are a Serato DJ, if you are interested or comfortable with the Serato DJ software, that is the reason why you would want to go for this controller. If you have the Serato DJ Pro, it'll be a great idea to go for this controller. But if you don't have the Serato DJ Pro and if you want to use this with Serato DJ Lite, some of the functions will not work. Two of the effects, pad effects, will not work with Serato DJ Lite. So if you already have the subscription for Serato DJ Pro, this is a great controller and you must go for it. But if Serato DJ is not the software of your choice, then I think you must opt for other options like DDJ 400, for example, if you like the Rekordbox DJ software. But as I said, Serato DJ users, you can go ahead and purchase this if you want this to be your first ever controller, or your handy controller, or your controller which you want to just carry around in the clubs as a backup. This is a great controller for all of that. So that's it, guys. Please let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions, any doubts about this controller, and let me know if you guys liked this unboxing video. There are a few more unboxing videos coming in this channel, and I'm really excited for all of that. So if you're interested for that as well, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. That's been it. My name is Deep, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.